What are the steps to reopen a closed BDO account?
Hello, viewers. Today, we'll be discussing the steps to reopen a closed BDO account. If you've previously closed your BDO account and wish to reactivate it, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process.
Why would you need to reopen an account?
Before we proceed, it's worth understanding why one might need to reopen an account. Some reasons include a change in financial circumstances, a need for a specific banking service provided by BDO, reconsideration after account closure.
Can all closed accounts be reopened?
Not all closed accounts can be reopened. Generally, accounts closed by the bank due to certain violations or issues might not be eligible for reactivation. Accounts that have been closed for an extended period might require a completely new application.
Steps to reopen your closed BDO account.
1. Visit your BDO branch. Head to the BDO branch where you initially opened your account. 2. Speak with a bank officer. Discuss your intent to reopen the account. They will guide you on whether it's feasible. 3. Fill out the necessary forms. If your account is eligible for reopening, you'll be given some forms to fill out. Ensure that all details are correct. 4. Submit required documents. These may include identification papers or any other documents the bank may request. 5. Wait for approval. The bank will then process your request. This may take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. 6. Deposit an initial amount. Once approved, you might be asked to deposit an initial amount to reactivate your account.
What if reopening isn't possible?
If you find out that reopening your closed account isn't feasible, open a new account. You can always start fresh by opening a new BDO account. The process may be similar to when you first applied. Consider other banks. If you're no longer keen on BDO, explore other banks that might offer services better tailored to your needs. Reopening a closed BDO account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Remember to communicate with your branch, provide all necessary details, and keep patience. We hope this guide has been informative. Best of luck with your banking journey.